Four-step process of data analysis. Data collection. Gather the information from your sources under the direction of your stated requirements. Case studies, surveys, questionnaires, interviews, focus groups, and direct observation are examples of sources. Make sure to arrange the data for analysis before collecting it. Data preparation is the process of preparing raw data so that it is suitable for further processing and analysis. Key steps include collecting, cleaning, and labeling raw data into a form suitable for machine learning, ML algorithms, and then exploring and visualizing the data. In data analysis, you have to use software and other tools to help you interpret and understand the data and arrive at conclusions. Data analysis tools include Excel, Python, R language, Microsoft Power BI, many more. Data visualization is the graphical representation of information in data. By using visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps, data visualization tools provide an accessible way to see and understand trends, outliers, and patterns in data. Learn data analytics from Talent Hub Training Institute, Kolkata. Join us today.